Hi, and welcome back to the RightHire tutorial series. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create selection assessments for your job applicants. While assessment templates are created by administrators, assessments can be created by both administrators and recruiters. So let's get started. If you haven't already done so, the first thing we need to do is head over to the Assessments page by finding the link on the sidebar. From here, click on Create New Assessment. When you click on Create New Assessment, a dialog box will open up that requires you to input some information about the job you're hiring for. The first thing we do is optionally enter an internal job code if you have one. The next thing we need to do is provide our assessment with a name. One option is to use the same name that we have for an assessment template. Alternatively, we can use something that our applicants might be more familiar with. For example, you may want to use the same title you used for the job advertisement. This way, applicants can be sure what job they are completing the assessment for. For this example, I'm going to use Customer Service Representative. The next thing we do is select an assessment template from the drop-down menu. If you have created a custom selection assessment template, but you do not see the assessment template on the list, you may not have marked the assessment template as complete. Only pre-built assessment templates and custom assessment templates that have been marked as complete will show up on this list. If you are having trouble finding the assessment template you want, feel free to contact customer support and we'll be happy to help you. The last thing that we need to do is optionally set a deadline for submission. If you decide to set one, applicants will not be able to access the assessment after the deadline. Keep in mind, the deadlines can be reset or set after you've already created the assessment. After this, the only thing left to do is press Create, and that's it. Now you have a live assessment that's ready for applicants to take. The next step is inviting your job applicants to take the assessment. There are two ways that you can invite applicants to take the assessment. The first is by selecting the drop-down and finding the assessment link. You can email your applicants to register and complete the assessment. Alternatively, you can press the Manage Candidates button. Once you click on Manage Candidates, it will bring you to a new page. Once you are on this page, press the Invite Candidates button on the top right. Enter the email addresses of your applicants one by one, separated by a comma. Once you have completed entering the email addresses of your applicants, send the invitation. The emails that go to applicants can also be customized. To do this, go to Settings page and find the email template that says Candidate Invitation. One thing we would recommend for all assessment invitations that you're sending through the system is that you include your company name in the subject line. This way, applicants will know the email they are receiving is from your organization. This brings us to the end of our tutorial on how to create assessments.